creators, and welcome to another video. Today I figured I would help you out and give you the trade secrets that probably you're not even sure about. You've Googled, you're trying to find a way. How can you as a content creator make money from what you do? So I'm going to show you ways that you can make money right now from your channel. And you might be thinking, I only have 10 subscribers. I only have 100 subscribers. Well, I made up to 5 figures with less than 200. And I'll tell you how if you watch this whole video, of course. And I do ask that if you like what you see, please subscribe. It goes a far way in motivating me to make more videos like this for you. So no worries, this will be a quick, short video. I'm quickly gonna tell you what I did to get up to 5 figures and ways that you can make money on your own too, being a content creator. Let's go. Let's start with number 4. And I start with number 4 because I haven't even started to do this yet, but I see other people doing it, and maybe you're at that stage in your channel where you can do that too. It's called paid video content. And what you do is go to sites like Vimeo, where you're able to charge people to watch special content. So you can use your YouTube channel to kind of give a little teaser or show people what you can do, and then offer really exclusive content that people will pay a membership for. Now, as I said, probably not with like a smaller audience. It's not the best thing for you to do. But if you're big enough, you can probably start charging. And honestly, if people love your content from the get-go, they'll pay for it. So look into that when you're ready to start your paid membership. So the third one, and it's honestly not one I've benefited from, but I have no other creators on YouTube that are making money from just being on YouTube. They have satisfied the requirements and now they're making money from ads running on their video. So that means starting a YouTube channel. Yeah, today, start a YouTube channel. Or if you have your channel, just keep going. I know it hurts. You see the little subscriber going up. It's not a lot. You're not getting a lot of views, but just keep going. Keep making videos. You started with 1. I now have over 40 videos, okay? There are people going to tell you to start with 1, gone up to 1,000. Just take your time, keep going. Find something that you love to do. And you don't even have to think about it. YouTube will email you to tell you when you qualify for the program. So, you know, you're doing something that you love and then eventually get paid for it. That's great. I'm looking forward to that day, and with each subscription and with each view, I'm getting closer to that. And way number 2 that worked for me, still working for me today, affiliate links. Yeah, I know you've heard it all, whatever, but maybe you're not completely sure how it works. So this is how you really want to make affiliate links work for you. If you're a content creator focusing on cars, for example, you want to find affiliates that are related to your brand. Find things that are going to be in the videos that you're going to talk about. If you're creating, like, you know, you drive a new car, maybe find affiliates that sell car accessories, or, you know, will give you a discount on some kind of service on the car or something like that. Find affiliates that work with your content, and that's the way you're going to make money from it, because people find your content because they're interested in solving a problem that they're having, and your content helps with that. Then you lead them to that link, which is some kind of great, you know, my links are discounts on the softwares that I use. Your links could do the same thing for the person watching it. So it's not just about you making money, it's them also benefiting from your program, because the program also allows you to give discounts out and stuff like that. So find something that's not just gonna be about you, you know, getting money from people watching, but also helping the people that are watching too. And number 1, the best way that has worked for me, honestly, probably the only way that's really working for me right now, freelancing. Okay, I started off as a freelancer working for people online. Like, I would reach out to people on LinkedIn to be like, I can create your content. I can, you know, help you with your business needs. And I've met people that way and become a freelancer for them, where I was running their social media accounts and creating content for them. And if you're doing either, it's still something to make money from. There are sites like Upworks, Fiverr, that you can go on and become a freelancer, or just do it on your own like I did. Because sometimes that ends up working better for you as an independent, you know, away from that site. But those sites kind of put you directly into people who have a need for your services, and it's still a way to make money. So definitely look into freelancing. It does give you the ability to go out there, make your own money, doing it on your own time. You can have a full-time job and freelance at the same time. So check it out. And finally, how do I make up to 5 figures from a channel that barely had 200 subscribers? By making content. I was making content, putting it out on my different channels, just my own channels, not like a big branded channel, just my regular LinkedIn. Someone saw me, reached out to me, and asked me to create a course for them. That course helped to pay me up to 5 figures in a couple months of me just having my channel up. Now, yeah, this won't be the experience for everyone, but the lesson here is you need to make things. If I never made the videos and I never had anything to share, no one would have reached out to me. So if you're sitting at home wondering, is today the day that I start a YouTube channel? There's so many YouTube channels. Why should I make a YouTube channel? Because there's only one you, and someone out there wants to watch that. And the truth is, there are tools that can help you from the get-go. One of the tools I use is TubeBuddy. Link will be in the description, of course. And basically it helps you to determine the good keywords that can help create great titles so people can search for you and find you. So I plan to do a video on that and break down how to get really good headlines that people will find and search for, even with a little teeny channel. But at least for now, check out tools that can help you right out the box as you start your YouTube channel. Start today, okay? You can start today. It's not hard to do. It's not impossible. Just know it's gonna take work. It's gonna take work. So put the work in, put the time in, find something that you're passionate in, and start making content today. And that's it. We're at the end, and I do ask if you love my content, please subscribe. It goes a far way in motivating me to make more videos like this for you. And I never end without saying, thanks for watching.